Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to discuss about single ad set CBO optimization. Let me be clear, just because you're doing a single ad set CBO, it doesn't mean that you should not optimize on the ad level. And yes, in my CBO optimization, I'm touching only on the ad set level, but I'm using several ad sets. If I'm going to use just one ad set and several ads, I'm going to optimize the CBO in a way that I will optimize a normal ABO ASC campaign with many ads. This is why I want to take you into my PC, show you one example of how a bad optimization in a single ad set CBO campaign didn't work at all, and I will see you there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So as I said, it's very important for you to optimize also your single ad set CBO campaigns, because it doesn't mean that because you are not having many ad sets that you should not optimize. You can optimize it normally like an ASC campaign. So here I'm going to show you what's happening on this campaign, which is my example for today for why you should optimize also your CBO campaigns. And here we're having this campaign starting here. Then we see 2 days, we can see that we have a leading ad over here, which is taking budget. Let's continue with 3 days. Basically, this is what we would see when we check on the on this day, okay? And then on this day, we will see 4 days and so on. Again, here we're having a very big spend. At this point, for sure, I would have closed the one that's taking all of the budget. Let's check this one. Obviously, there is wrong optimization done over here. This one is having so much budget. This one is getting us a sale. And then if we see individually these days, we can see that this one is getting a sale while this one is taking all of the budget, and this is happening again. At this point, you could take a decision of actually closing it. As you can see here, if we check all of these days, we are having very bad results, but at least we have 2 sales over here on this one that we could focus on instead of just letting this one keep spending. And we continue like this. This one is still spending, but it got a sale now. I don't know if it was closed already. Of course, typical Facebook, the moment you close something, it's giving you a sale to it so that you can keep it. Of course, it was closed at this point. And now this campaign is already 7 days old and we have nothing. So we took nothing out of the first period that we could optimize and actually take something. Let's see the results here, still nothing. So let's check also the results today. Nothing. This campaign is a campaign that we will have to close because in all of this period it never optimized basically properly. So the results that we are having are very bad. It's just the sales that are coming from this one, which never took budget and we never focused to it at the time that we should have focused to it. Anyway, that's an example for me to show you that you need to be more proactive also into your single ad set CBO campaigns and optimize them like an ASC campaign. And I will see you guys for the closing of the video. What am I proposing here, and the ASC optimization in general, as we call it in this channel, it's easier from CBO optimization with several ad sets. If you don't do several ad sets because you're afraid of CBO optimization, keep in mind that you have to do optimization into the ad level when you're using even one ad set in a CBO. Don't forget that if you don't, you are losing the whole momentum of the first 24-48 hours results. And if you're not going to intervene there, maybe you're not going to have good results, even if you're just running something which is very simple and you're just focusing on the creatives. I get it if you don't want to learn CBO optimization because it's complex, but just focus on learning ASC optimization because it's going to help you on this situation, or I get it if ASC is not working for you, learn ASC optimization so that you can do it on your single ad set CBO campaigns. Don't forget that you have nothing to lose. Either it's going to fail, or you're going to be able to optimize it. There's no other solution. At the end of the day, neglecting it and not touching it or trying to optimize it, it's going to make things only worse. Now, if it's working on your end, don't touch it. I get it. But if it's not working, if it's not giving you good results in the first 48 hours, then you have to intervene. And the worst case scenario is that you will close the campaign, but at least you're going to try instead of letting Meta spending all of your budget in something that is not producing results. Some of you might be amazed why I did this video. I did this video because I see this again and again and again, and I'm really tired and I don't understand why people don't learn optimization and they just think that they will just toss some creatives with a single ad set and it's going to work. Yes, it's working on some ad accounts, but there are other ad accounts that is not going to work and maybe they need a little bit of tweaking in order to work. The scenario that I showed you earlier, it's another account which I have optimized successfully campaigns, so I know that this ad account is working. So the things that we do also in the ad manager, they do matter. And it's not only about the product. And I can tell you that in this ad account, the whole new campaign and the way that it was optimized was wrong, not by me, obviously.
Oh, good.
But at the end of the day, I know that in this account, these creatives that they were there, they are working, and I know that they have been optimized in previous campaigns other times. This is why I'm making this video, because I think that there are a lot of people that they just think that they will just toss something on creative without any technical knowledge and it's going to work. And yes, there are going to be these cases that they're going to have such an amazing product or such a low spend which is going to make it work. But if it's not working for you, don't just watch it and just let it because you hope that eventually Meta is going to actually make it work, especially when you have campaigns running which are profitable already and yours are not profitable for the last 5 days. In any case, if you want to learn more, don't forget to check my book, my course, my website. Don't forget to check also the testimonials below my mentorship programs and the people that they have completed them. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.